This should fill up my rain barrel. Oh, why can't they make this smell? I'll have to cut that part. There, you can see my car. I want people to see my car. Thank you for the car wash, Mother. Appreciate it. Nice of you to get that rear window for me. It's always dirty. My intention was to be out on the property right now so that I could see where things might be leaking, or, you know, just get to know this year's new setup. Here we go. This is flash flood. This just started. I mean, we're talking by the time I got my camera turned on and walked out here, that's how long it's been raining. But that first, and now it's kind of softening up. This is what creates the little flash floods in the mountains. Especially if the water finds its way to a little crevice that's already been made. What do you think, Soleil? Would you like to go out and get wet in the rain? You want to go get wet in the rain? No? Where's Mindy? Mindy's not even on the porch. Mindy! Mindy girl! Where's my Mindy girl? It's just rain. It's just rain. You don't want to come out? It's very cool out there. Yes. You want to go outside? Come on. It's dry on the porch. It can't get you. Oh, come on. Mindy, you come on outside? Come on. Come on. Come on, my brave girl. Look, Soleil's out here. You coming? Come on. Say, you're crazy, lady. I don't do rain. I don't do thunderstorms. I don't do it. Come on. That's my brave girl. Come on. Oh. Hello, Cosmo. Come on, Mindy. Oh, what a brave girl. Yeah, come and enjoy the rain. Yes. You coming? Come on. What? What? Soleil is okay. As long as you touch me. Just touch me and I'm okay. Okay, we'll cuddle time on the couch. And now, just like that, it has passed over us. And we have sun coming in from the west. So, everyone to the east. Here, oh look, the east, where the city is, where I just was. And look, I got a car wash. Compliments of Mama Nature. And the streets will be muddy enough that the dust won't fly up and get it dirty again. So if I go nice and slow, I won't even splash that much. Well, then again, we haven't gotten rid of all the potholes yet, so I'm going to splash. This is how rivers are born. If enough rain comes through. Like a mini Amazon. Those are little sleep pellets. The yellow ones are mixed with all the pollen that just got knocked down, like only Mother Nature can do. go.